Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can forward voice message on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To forward voice message on WeChat, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. From the chat list, tap on any text message. Click on speaker icon at the bottom left side and long press on the space that says hold to talk and release once you are done recording your voice. Now to forward your message on WeChat, long press on the voice message and from the pop-up click on select. Tap on share option. Choose whether you would like to send it one by one or combine and forward the voice message, then tap on it. Select a person and click on their name to send your voice message on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.